Good morning, student. Our today's topic is sound of O with phonic sound. Okay, we have done our two sounds in our previous video, A and E. Today we will done sound of O. Okay, so how to speak like this? O. कौन सी sound आएगी? Sound का O. T. Sound of T, T, O, T, oat. Okay. Oat. Right here, oat. Start from third line. Go up, slant, and turn. Move back. Like this. Fold out. Go up, slant. Move back. Touch the third line and turn like this, and sleeping line. Small sleeping line. Oat. Come to the three-letter word. C. Sound of K. K की sound आएगी. को. O की है coat. C-O-T. Coat. Okay. Right here. Start from third line. Go up slant. Turn. Move back. Like this. Slant, turn, move back, go up, fold, out, slant, down, turn, sleeping line. C-O-T, coat. C-O-T. O की साउंड आएगी बीच में तो ओ कोट. ओके, कोट. C-O-T, कोट. B. साउंड ऑफ ब की साउंड आएगी ओ टी. B-O-T, बोट. B-O-T, बोट. Go slant down, turn, mouth close. First semicircle, second semicircle. Go up, make O, small O, fold, cut like this. Sleeping line. B-O-T, boat. Next, H-O-T. Sound of her. O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Start from this point. Go up. Touch the first line. Go down slant. Like this slanting line. Move back. Like this. Circle. Touch. Out. O, small O, T. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Next. Student, look at the movement of my hand. How to write and speak. O, D. O की साउंड आएगी. साउंड ऑफ ड, डी. तो यहाँ पर ड की साउंड आएगी. O, D, odd. Right here. Go up, slant. Touch the second line, move back, fold like this, out, turn, move back, go up, slant up, move back. O-D, O-D, odd. Next, G, sound of G, यहाँ पर G की sound आएगी. Sound of G, G, O-D, odd, God, G-O-D, God. Right here, start from third line, turn, go up, slant, fold, down, turn, move back to the fourth line, fold, right here small O, D, G-O-D, God, G-O-D, God. Next, C-O-D, code, C-O-D, code. Right here, start from third line, go up slant, move back, C-O-D, code, C-O-D, code. R, R की साउंड आएगी. R-O-D, road. R-O-D, road. Right here, R-O-D, road. R-O-D, road. Next, O-P, op. O-P, op. Start from third line. O, fold out. Touch the first line, fold down, touch the fourth line, move back, turn like this. O-P, op. Sound of T, T. Sound of T, T. T-O-P, top. Write here T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Next, H-O-P, hope. H-O-P, hope. Write down H की साउंड क्या आएगी? ह. H-O-P, hope. Next, M, sound of M, M-O-P, mop. Start from this point, go up slant, make a standing line, go slant, standing line, O, M-O-P, mop, M-O-P, mop. Next, write here O-N, own, sound of N, write here O-N, own. Next, C-O-N, cone, C-O-N, cone. Next, D-O-N, don, sound of D-O-N, on, D-O-N, don. Next, J-O-N, John. Start from this point, sleeping line, go up like this, J-O-N, John. J की sound होगी J-O-N, John. Student, do your work neat and clean and proper formation. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.